Hi, Carl with Machlabs. Wanted to show you a real life example of the M31 installed on a machine. This is our Bridgeport here out in our plant, and we are testing things on this constantly, so it looks like a little crazy, but it shows exactly how a real life situation should be with the M31 controlling your machine. You've got power here, which is going to your 24 volts right here, which is powering this board. We've got all the switches or anything from the machine coming in here, like the tool setter. We've got our outputs for coolant control or spindle or any other things like right here. This wire is going to, this Cat5 cable is going to the main Orion control. We've got a network port right here, and this is EtherCat. The beauty of EtherCat, one wire here goes to this drive. This is a Yaskawa Sigma X drive. We're testing the latest drives with the three motors coming to this one drive. This could be a Steppers online drive or a stepper motor, a lead shine. We just have Yaskawa here as for our testing purposes right now, but one wire does all of the high-speed communication to Mach Pro to be able to run this machine. We also, on this one, this could be EtherCat, but because it's an older system, this is still a Modbus VFD. The Yaskawa VFD is communicating to Mach Pro through Modbus. But that simple, we've got the whole machine running in a very amazing with just simplicity with that EtherCat control. Thanks so much for watching.